Tips on what to do after an automobile accident. Car accidents can take place in the blink of an eye. According to car accident authorities, they happen roughly 6.4 million times each year. Although being related to a car mishap can be aggravating, recognizing what to do in the minutes after a mishap can reduce some of the tension and problem of the situation. The towing professionals at American Outlaw Towing and Recovery provide the ideas on exactly how to take care of cars and also vehicle mishap. Don't leave the auto. Complying with an accident, numerous drivers will leave their cars to check for problems or talk with others included. Preferably, motorists require to call the authorities and stay in their vehicles till the authorities get right there. Automobile drivers can protect themselves, both actually as well as legally, by remaining in their vehicles and allowing the police officers to process the scene. Utilize your phone video camera. Although the authorities record the information of the crash, it is frequently helpful to take pictures for your own peace of mind if you're not injured. After police are called, call American Outlaw Towing and Recovery. You ought to understand specifically who is hauling your vehicle along with where it will definitely be taken. For convenience of access, keep a local business card in your wallet which contains the number of American Outlaw Towing and Recovery tow truck services as well as your car dealership's solution department. Call your insurance coverage provider. Many people consider this as something to do in the future. Nevertheless, calling from the scene will certainly aid to speed up the handling in addition to supplying of your case. And you will definitely have the ability to relay precise details in genuine time rather than relying upon memory. Obtain an estimate on the full damage. Insurance providers may need just one quote on problems. Nonetheless, it behooves the motorist to obtain various quotes, which might vary significantly. See to it to review these reports thoroughly to understand what you are paying, as well as also what the insurance company will absolutely cover. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Trustworthy repair shops will gladly take care of inquiries related to the call for repair. Call American Outlaw Towing and Recovery when you require a trusted and also sincere towing service. Steve, as well as his crew, are available 24/7, 7 days a week to be there when you need them, anywhere in the Salt Lake Valley. 801-637-1816.